Good morning, everyone. Great to be here today with all of you. Very excited to be here with the Deputy Prime Minister and Finance Minister, Chrystia, to talk about something we're doing on affordability. It's great to be back in the region. Great to be here with all of you to talk about how we're going to make life more affordable for so many people.
Making life more affordable for people. Great. What is sad is that he's going to do a cut of the HST and GST only for 2 months. And after that, right in April 2025, he's going to announce an increase again on the carbon tax of 61 cents, which will make everything more expensive as it is right now. These people are so disconnected to reality.
The programs that we're delivering, whether it's dental care, whether it's pharmacare with free insulin or free prescription contraceptives, whether it's more spaces and $10 a day child care that is saving families thousands of dollars, whether it's dental care that's taken huge pressures off of primarily seniors' budgets, but also others. These are things that are making a difference. But at the same time, Canadians are still struggling to get by. These elements have taken off pressures, but there is more to do. As the holidays approach, families, especially parents, are particularly worried. Canadians have been through a lot. They work hard. We see that. We've been able to get through the past couple of years. Everyone had to tighten their belts a little bit. And now we're going to be able to give a tax break for all Canadians. For 2 months, starting December 14th, we're going to remove the GST, HST from groceries. 100% of groceries, all groceries. We're going to remove the GST from restaurant meals, takeouts, fast food. Removing the GST from beer and wine. Removing the GST for essentials like kids' clothing, footwear, diapers, and toys.
See the look of his face. When he says toys, he's about to laugh. You know why? Because he's disconnected with reality. He's a rich little kid, spoiled kid, who is in charge now, and he thinks that he knows what we need. The fact is that these people forgot they were hired to do a job, and he got fired in the last 2 elections, but he refuses to leave. That's the problem with these people. They believe they're running our life. They're supposed to be running our lives, and it's totally different. It's supposed to be working for us. And I'm not just forcing their agenda upon us.
All tax-free, removing the GST and HST. For 2 months, Canadians are going to get a real break on everything they do.
Listen up, a real break on everything we do. That's a game of words right there. And don't forget, almost every essential item for food, when it comes to food, is tax-free, like rice, pasta, vegetables, fruits. So the cut for these 2 months of these HST and GST is going to be for specialties, some delicatessens like maybe special sauces, special vinegars, but it's not a real discount or tax cut for essential, because essentials always been tax-free.
We also know that there's more we need to do, particularly for working Canadians. So if you worked in 2023 and earned up to $150,000, we're going to be sending you a check for $250 in just a few months.
So if in 2023 you and your spouse or yourself make more than $150,000, which is impossible, you're going to get back $250 in a few months. That means it might come in March next year, because this cut is going to end in February. The income tax, the GST and HST tax cut is going to start in December 14 until February 14. So you're probably going to get that $250 check next year in March or April, which is insane.
Our government can't set prices at checkout, but we can put more money in people's pockets. The Working Canadians rebate of $250, which will be sent to people in April.
So he just said it. the check is going to be sent to you in April 2025. Really funny. But on top of that, he said that the government cannot control prices. But guess what? They can, because when they increase the carbon tax on gasoline and diesel, which is being used to move everything from ships, airplanes, and trucks, everything goes down to the consumers, us. So if you increase the carbon tax, we pay more for everything. So they can actually control prices on everything.
He's going to give people that relief they need, and the tax break over the next 2 months is going to help on the costs of everything as we approach the holidays, as we get into the new year. These are things that recognize that people are squeezed, and we're there to help. Money that will help people buy the things they need and save up for the things they want. And the final comment is that I really hope that all parties in the House get behind this so we can pass this quickly, so that Canadians can get this relief as soon as December 14th.
One more time, he repeats that he knows what we need and is here for help. You're not here to help. You're supposed to be here to manage, and it's not doing it right. What can I tell you as a prepper? It is time to check whether some of those products that you need and they're going to be tax-free, maybe it's the time to buy even more to save for the future. And I won't tell you this, to not pay taxes. That's insane. Act accordingly.